This week is the Hour of Code week. They're trying to get everyone in the country, and Kentucky is really making that a big deal. And most of you have already gone through the entire hour of code. So today I have an activity that you can do that most of you probably have not done. If you're in my extra coding class, you might have done some of this. But we're going to actually create a holiday card. And there's a little tutorial that I want you to watch. It tells you about what you can do. It'll then walk you through when you click Let's Begin. It will let you explore ideas, and then after you watch the video, and you can make it full screen here, after you watch the video, it'll let you go to the next one. It'll tell you how to delete the cat. It will then ask you to add sprites. That's what this says down here is sprites. And when you click on this, you can actually see, I didn't really understand what it was when I was first looking at it. So it'll take you and show you how to make or how to add sprites. It'll tell you how to make them interactive. You all know how to do some of this because you've done it with our hour of code. The next part is add a background image. Again, it's going to tell you how to do it here. And then you're going to click next, and then you can add sound. This is one that you'll have to make sure that the sound is one that you're picking from because we don't have enough computers to actually add your own recording. So it'll have to be an audio file that's already there. And you can set it. This will show you how to set up the program, how to share your program. This is what you'll actually do. You'll share this with me to be able to turn in for your assignment. And then you can add it to the Hour of Code Studio. Like I said, it is the Hour of Code week, all week long. If you get finished with this project, you can go to code.org and continue doing some of the code.org activities if you're finished or if you're not finished. A lot of you are not finished, but some of you have already finished a lot of things. So you may be at a different place and want to do some of your regular coding things. If you click on, if you go to Hour of Code, they actually have a lot of different things that you can do. This one talks about what Hour of Code is. If you zoom in, you can actually see that our school is on here from where we signed up before to do the activity. There's some infographics on here about Hour of Code, and you don't have to sign up because we've already signed up for it. And then, what you can do, and then you can go to code.org, and there are different courses. Again, if you're finished or when you finish your project, and if you want to go to code.org and do some of these other things, you can. If you're finished with all of them, or you just want to try something different, there are different ones on here. Lightbot. This one does require money, so you have to make sure that you are doing, or this part of it does, so you want to make sure that you're doing one that makes sense. If I see you playing Flappy Game and you do it constantly, pick something different today, okay? And then there are more when you click here to look through. So pick something that maybe you haven't done before, or continue with something that you've been learning on code. Code is a big thing that's going to become a bigger, it gets bigger and bigger every year because there are so many new technologies that come out, and there's a need for people to code. So if you haven't done it or haven't done all of your hour code beyond 1 hour, remember, if you sign in, you can go through lots of things. Like I said, most of you have done most of these, and you're ready to do something, or you've done some of them, but you haven't finished. So make sure that you're doing that today. Like I said, you can look through some of this stuff if you get finished with this project first, and then you'll be ready to go. So go through this project. I'll have the link for you to follow on the assignment and then to turn in. All right. Hope that you have a great day. I'm at WKU today. You might see me in the building if you're in first period, and I might be back before the end of sixth period. But I will try not to come in the room because I don't want to disturb you all. But please be on your best behavior. Do what you know is expected, and I will see you tomorrow.